start with a topic rational numbers for standard 8. We continue with the same exercise, that is exercise 1C. Now in this sum, I take the 11th one, divide the sum of 65 upon 12 and 8 upon 3 by their difference. Now what they have said here, that we have to divide. We have these two rational numbers, so first we have to find the sum of both the rational numbers, and again we have to divide that with their difference. So here now 65 upon 12 plus 8 upon 3. Now this is the sum of the given rational numbers, and I take the difference of the given rational number which we have to divide. So divide the sum of the given rational numbers by their difference. So 65 upon 12 minus 8 upon 3. So now here I have to find the LCM of the denominator here in the numerator first. So what I do is, now I find the LCM of 12 and 3. So my LCM of 12 and 3 is, I get 2. So 2 6 are 12, 3 again 2 3s are 3, again 3 1s are. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So my LCM is 12 over here. Now I am taking this number over here. So 12 divided by 12, 12 divided by 12 is 1. So 1 gets multiplied with 65 here. So I get 65 back, plus sign. Now 12 divided by 3 gives you 4. 4 8s is 32. Similarly in the denominator, what difference we are going to find out. Again here also the LCM is 12. Again I divide 12 divided by 12, that is 1. 1 into 65 will give you again 65. My negative sign here. Then 12 divided by 3 gives you 4. 4 8s is 32. Now here 65 plus 32. So my 65 plus 32 gives me 97. So 97 divided by 12 upon 65 minus 32, which is 33. So I get here 33 divided by 12. Right? So now when I take the denominator to the numerator, it is the reciprocal. So I have 97 divided by 12 into 12 upon 33. So my 12 gets cancelled here since it's the product, and my final answer is 97 divided by 30. We move on to the 12th sum. Find the cost of 2 upon 5 meters of cloth at rupees 63.34 per meter. Now they have given us that the cloth is 3 2/5 meter long and the per meter cost is rupees 63.34. So if the cloth is 3 and 2/5 meter, then they have given us the cost of per meter over here. So now if we want to find the rate for this 3 2/5 meter cloth, then we have to multiply the per meter rate with the cloth in how many meters it is. So now before that, let me express the given meters and rupees in improper fraction, because this is in mixed fraction. So my 2 upon 5 meters can be written as 5 3s is 15, 16, 17. So this comes to 17 upon 5 meters, and my rate for per meter, that is 63.34, which comes to multiply 63 with 4. So 4 3s are 12. 2 carry 1. 4 6 are 24 and 1 25. Again I add this 3 to it. So I get it as 552. So it comes to rupees 255 upon 4. So now let us find out how much the total cost will be for 3 2/5 meter of cloth. So my 3 2/5 meter is here, which is equal to 17 upon 5 into 255 upon 4. So you can cancel here. 5 ones are 5, 5s are again 5 ones are. So I get here 17 into 51 divided by 4. Now 17 into 51, that gives me 1 7s are 7, 1 1s are 1 plus 7 5s are 35, carry 3, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8. So my answer here is 7, 6 and 8. So I get it as 867 divided by 4. So let me divide this now. So I have here 867 divided by 4. So 4 2s is 8. So here remainder is 0. I take the next number down, that is 6. Again 4 1s is 4. Negative sign. My remainder is 2. I get the next number down. So it comes to 27. 4 6 is 24. So my remainder here is 3. So I get it as rupees 216 3 divided by 4. So this is my final answer. Now we continue with the sum number 13. Find the area of a rectangular part which is 36 3/5 meters long and 16 2/5 meters broad. Now when we say area of a rectangular part means area of a rectangle, and the formula for area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now they have given it is 36 3/5 meters long, so that is our length L, which is 36 3/5, and breadth is given as 16 2/5 meters broad. Now if you see, the length and the breadth is given in mixed fraction. So let us convert it into improper fraction here. So now I multiply 36 with 5. So 36 into 5, that gives you 5 6 are 30, carry 3, 3 5 are 15, 16, 17, 18. So 180 plus 3. So I get it as 183. So 183 divided by 5 meters. This is my length. Now moving on to the breadth, that is 16 into 5, that is 80 plus 2. So I get it as 82. So 82 divided by 5 meters. Now I got my length and breadth in improper fraction. So I can find the area. So area is equal to length into breadth. So 183 divided by 5 into 82 divided by 5. So now let us multiply this. So which comes to, in the denominator, 5 into 5 is 25. Now let us multiply 183 into 82. So 183 into 82, that gives you 2 3s are 6. Then 2 8s are 16. Carry 1. 2 1s are 2 and 1 3 plus 8 3s are is 24. So 2, 8 8s are 64, 65, 66. So 6 and here 6, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I get here 6. 6 plus 4 is 10, carry 1. Again 10, carry 1, 5, 1. So in the numerator I get 15,006. Now it is area, so it is in meter square. Now let us express this in a mixed fraction. So I divide it here. 15,006 divided by 25. Now 25 6 is 150. So I get here remainder 0. Now I get the next number down, that is 0. Since 25 you cannot divide 0, so I carry it here. Now I get the next digit down, that is 6. Still I cannot divide 25 since this is a small digit. So I carry a 0 over here. So now the mixed fraction which we get here is, that is 600, 6 upon 25 meter square. Moving on to the 14th sum, which you have to do for homework, where you have to find the area of a square plot. So area of a square plot, area of a square is given by side square. So you can try out 14th sum for homework. Now I do the 15th one. A chord of length 71, 1 upon 2 meters has been cut into 26 pieces of equal length. Now what is the length of each piece? So we have a chord which is 71.5 meters long, and we have to divide it into 26 pieces and find the length of each piece. So now here let me first express the length which is in mixed fraction in an improper fraction. So my length here is 71.5 meters. So here this is 71 into 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14 plus 1. So I get it as 143. So it is 143 divided by 2. So this is my total length. Now this has to be cut into 26 equal pieces. So I get it as 143 upon 2 divided by 26, because we are dividing this given length into 26 pieces. Now this means that it is 26 divided by 1. So now let us take the denominator, the number in the denominator to the numerator. So when you take it to the numerator, it becomes the reciprocal. So I get here 143 divided by 2 into 1 upon 26. Now I can cancel this over here. 13 2s are and 13 11s are. So I get here 11 divided by 4. So let us express this in mixed fraction. So let me divide it. 11 divided by 4. So 4 2s are is 8 and my remainder here is 3. So I get it as 2 3 upon 4 meters. So each piece is 2 3 upon 4 meters. Now we move on to the 16th sum. The area of a room is 65 1 upon 4 square meters. If its breadth is 5 1 upon 16 meters, what is its length? Now since the breadth and the length is asked over here and the area of the room is given, so it is understood that it is a rectangular room. So area is given by length into breadth. Now the area here is given in mixed fraction and again the breadth is given in mixed fraction. So let us convert it into improper fraction. So my area here is equal to 65 1 upon 4. So this comes to 65 into 4. 4 5s are 22. 4 6 are 24, 25, 26. So 260 plus 1. So this comes to 261. So it is 261 divided by 4. Area, so it is square meters. Now moving on to the breadth. B, which is equal to 5 1 upon 16. So 16 5s are 80 plus 1. So I get it as 81 divided by 16 in meters. Now we substitute in the formula area. So my area is here. So A is equal to length into breadth. We are supposed to find the length here. So my area is 261 upon 4, which is equal to length, which we are going to find out, into breadth, that is 81 divided by 16. So I get this term on the other side. So here 261 upon 4 into, when you get it on the other side, it becomes a reciprocal, that is 16 upon 81 is equal to L. So here I get 4 ones are 4 fours are. Now this will go with 9. So 9 nines are, 9 twos are 18. So again here I get 8. So it is again 9s are 81. So it is 9 nines are. So I get it as 29 into 4 upon 9. So here 29 into 4 will be 29 into 4. That is 4 9s are is 36, 3, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11. So 116. So my L is equal to 116 divided by 9. So let us divide this and write it in a mixed fraction. So I divide 116 divided by 9. So it is 9 ones are 9. Subtract 2, 6. So here 9 twos are is 18. So I carry 1 here. So I get it as 16 minus 8 is 8 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So my mixed fraction is here, that is 12 8 upon 9 meters long.